Russ P, baby, with an exclusive hurricane aftermath video coming at you from the valley, baby. This is the parking lot, and that's where you have picnics. And all the way out there is the main river. It's just fucking completely flooded. Just to show you how bad it is, I'm going to show you the road. That's right, people. This is the fucking road. And technically there ain't no fucking road because of this. And because of that. There's your road right there. I love this stuff, man. I filmed this shit and put it on YouTube. As far as my camera can see, that's your road. And that's your parking. And that's the river, as you can see. Y'all should look it up on YouTube, man. 2484 Thumper. That's my channel. With a good 3-point turn. You got it, you got it. See that truck going through the water? Very good job. Getting some good shots, man. I love this stuff. This is beautiful to me. As you can see, I'm crossing the barrier. It's about a couple inches deep, not moving that steadily. Here we're getting about 6 inches deep. About 8 inches deep. Can't even see the lines anymore in the road. What bridge?
There's a bridge right here, covered bridge.
A covered bridge?
The hill.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Down that way?
Yeah.
Oh damn.
Oh, that's the shot.
Oh man, I don't know. My parents are right here right now.
Come on, let's go.
Yeah, that road, it's all blocked down there because of the tree being down.
Yeah, I know.
Gotta have a